But this movie will show you for 15 minutes. It's been made by Iffat Fatima. She's a documentary maker, Kashmiri documentary maker based in Delhi. So please take your tea and have a seat and be as quiet as possible. Thank you.
Like the guys who was kızın güteli aşağı kaldı. Öyle olmuyor, babam bozuluyor. Ve bunu zevcilileri de olsa olur. Bunlar bu. Ve onun daha nasıl uzuyor. Ve bu bayağı kayıyor. Desejo de tudo. Documento chamado, mas nem agora.
Okay, I think I have been given the most important and privileged job today, and that is to introduce you to Parveena Ahangar. Parveena ji is one of those people who in many circles would not need an introduction. And in a sense, Mirza Waheed earlier actually introduced her during the conversation. And we are really privileged and honored to have her here to speak to us in person. A Nobel Prize nominee, she has responded to one of the most horrifying and terrifying events a parent and a mother could face by organizing a movement and an association, the APDP Association for the Parents of the Disappeared for Parents of Disappeared Persons. And I think that response, we were talking earlier, Professor Fawzia Qazi and I myself, that response is possibly one of the bravest thing a mother can do, and perhaps one of the most difficult things a mother can do, to confront that event. And expose, in a sense, for the last 20 to 24 years, state violence enacted through enforced disappearances. And the flip side of this exposure has been the documentation of 8,000 to 10,000 upwards, the enforced disappearances. And I think these enforced disappearances, I mean, you've seen a small clip of that film, are related to torture, they're related to the issue of mass graves, they're related to the issue of rapes. And if you take all of these things together, and I think in the earlier panel it was mentioned that this is systemic, this is structural, one could even go further to call it not just colonization and occupation, but I think in a sense, once these things are much more widely internationally publicized, I mean, I think we can even use the term genocide to talk about all of these things in this way. So without further ado, I introduce you to Parveena ji and to Professor Fawzia Qazi from the Islamic University of Science and Technology. Professor Qazi is also a photographer and an artist, and she's very kindly will be translating the session for us. I think the format that we will follow is that I'm just going to ask very short, brief, general questions, but basically the point is to allow Parveena ji to speak about her experiences in terms of organizing and championing the cause of the disappeared persons. So what I will do is start with a very general question, which is, what was the motivation for starting this, and how did it all start? How did the APDP start? So.
Before I ask the question translated, I think I have the most important job today,
yes, that's
to convey her words to you as faithfully as possible. I've never translated for anyone before, but it's a privilege. She's a remarkable woman.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. मेरे प्यारों बहनों भाइयों दोस्तों रफ़ीकों मेरी तरफ अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरे 9 से मेरे बेटे से उठाया सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ने, फिर वो मैट्रिक पास किया उसने, तो फिर उसको उठाया घर से रात को 3 बजे। ये ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे फौजिया जी। फिर रात को 3 बजे आ गई मिलिट्री, तो फिर उसको उठाया घर से।
She started with, as she addressed you as her brothers and sisters and friends. Her son was in the 10th grade. He had passed the 10th grade, and he was picked up in the night.
1990
In 1990 on 18th of August.
18 अगस्त को 3 बजे उसको उठाया तो मैंने बोला उसको क्या करेगा, उसको कुछ नहीं करेगा, ये बेचारा मैट्रिक पास किया तो उसको छोड़ेगा। फिर बाद में मैं थाने में गई, थाने में रिपोर्ट डाला, FIR काटा, फिर SP कंट्रोल रूम के पास गई, बोला थोड़ा सा उसको चोट आ गया, वो भी बिकट हॉस्पिटल में।
She thought he was taken at 3 p.m. and she thought they would not keep him too long. He hasn't done anything. So she went to the SP and or the police station and had an FIR filed. And the SP admitted.
वो बोला हाँ हमारे पास है मगर बीबी कट हॉस्पिटल है, उसको थोड़ा सा चोट लगा।
The SP admitted that they had taken him, but he had been beaten up a little and that he was in the hospital, BB Kant Hospital.
फिर पास दिया, गाड़ी दिया, उधर दिखाई नहीं दिया बेटे को। 3 बार पास दिया, 3 बार गाड़ी दिया, फिर मैंने पास को फोटो स्टेट किया, मैंने डेवर के नीचे गाड़ी में रखा।
She was given a pass to the hospital to see her son, but he was not there. She went 3 times, and each time she did not find him there. And the 3rd time she photocopied the pass, and these are my words, how smart she was in her approach towards it. She photocopied it so that she has a record.
बाद में जाती हूँ, कोई MLA, कोई मिनिस्टर उसके पास, उधर कोई भी आता बोलता मेरा बेटा भी पकड़ लिया, मेरा बेटा भी पकड़ लिया। फिर मैंने देखा बहुत उस वक्त थोड़ा ही है, 60 केसेस हैं। फिर मैंने उनको बोला हम सब इकट्ठे हो जाएगा, फिर हम एक ग्रुप बनाएगा, तो फिर हम इकट्ठे प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे।
So she, through this struggle to find her husband, she encountered others. She encountered other victims, 50 or 60 other family members. And she told them that we should all join hands so that we can have a joint effort in finding our relatives.
बाद में SP कंट्रोल ने बोला तू जाओ कोर्ट में, तू परवीना तू कोर्ट में जाओ, कोर्ट में उनको कोर्ट लाएगा। फिर मैंने कोर्ट में रिट पिटीशन किया, 91 में रिट पिटीशन किया, 92 में उसको इंक्वायरी हो गया। फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने इंक्वायरी किया, उनको प्रूफ हो गया। हाँ, उस वक्त 2 केट आ गए छापे के दौरान, उन्होंने पता है इसका बेटा उठाया, बोला हमने बोला उनको इनको छोड़ो वापस, उन्होंने बोला हम उसको छोड़ा है।
She filed a writ petition in the court, and this was They said we have released him, but they had not released him.
हमने उसको छोड़ा है। तो बाद में वो गए उधर, बोला नहीं उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा। हमने उसके पास गई, बोला हम कहाँ छोड़ा।
So then they denied having released him.
फिर क्या किया, हमने बनाया 94 में एसोसिएशन। मैं खुद गई गांव-गांव, मेरे पास जख्म है, मैं खुद विक्टिम हूँ। मैं खुद गांव-गांव गई, हर गांव में खुद गई, मैंने सब लोग इकट्ठे किया।
She formed the association
94 में।
in 1994. She has the wound that she has felt, and she went from village to village. She was the victim herself, the injured party herself. She went from village to village in order to gather support for forming this organization.
कश्मीर में इतना लोग मारा, उनकी कब्रें हैं, उनकी मालगुजार है, ये कश्मीर में अहम प्रॉब्लम है। अगर जवान 8 साल का बच्चा, 14 साल का बेटा उठाया, 70 साल का बूढ़ा, 60 साल का रिटायर आर्मी कैप्टन, अगर उठाया कहाँ रखा? हम तड़प है। मेरे को 24 साल हो गया, मगर मेरे को तड़प है। मैं एक बार देखूंगा उस बेटे को। उस वक्त उसको पिटाई किया, मेरे को बर्दाश्त नहीं होता। अगर कोई बोलता उसको पिटाई किया, मेरे को बर्दाश्त नहीं होता। मैं खुद विक्टिम हूँ, मैं समझता किसी विक्टिम का दर्द। फिर मैं खुद गांव-गांव गई, सब लोग इकट्ठे किया। मैंने बोला हम इकट्ठे लड़ेगा। हैंगर स्ट्राइक 7 दिन किया, भूख हड़ताल भी
I am
7 दिन किया।
I am a victim myself. I have gone from village to village. There are people who have died in Kashmir, and there are graves for them, but there are also people who have disappeared, and there are no markers, no graves for them. I am a victim. I have suffered. I have gone from village to village to tell my story and to gather other victims of disappeared people around.
कोर्ट इंसाफ का घर, फिर उधर जाता है इंसाफ ढूंढने के लिए, उधर भी कोई इंसाफ नहीं मिला।
Court is the house of justice. You go there to find justice, but you don't find it.
फिर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने बनाया स्टेट ह्यूमन राइट्स। अगर हाई कोर्ट का जज कोई फैसला नहीं, 97 तक मैंने केस लड़ा, फिर मैंने दिन का न खाना खाया न रात को नींद, आज आएगा तारीख के आज कुछ फैसला मिलेगा, आज कोई मुलाकात देगा। 97 से मेरा फाइल सैंक्शन के लिए गया, फिर होम मिनिस्टर के पास उन्होंने सैंक्शन ही नहीं दिया।
Farooq Abdullah formed the state human rights organization, and since 97,
97 में सैंक्शन के लिए गया होम मिनिस्टर।
and her file, her file had gone to the Home Ministry for further investigation and further sanctions to investigate it. But nothing has happened on it since 1997.
हर महीने प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है, पहले करता 15-30 को, अभी सुना मंगल मासे के साथ इनकी घर में चाय भी बनाती, खाना भी बनाती, विक्टिमों को देता है। आज कर रही हर महीने प्रोटेस्ट 10 तारीख को, हर महीने।
They used to protest on the 15th and the 30th of every month. And as you saw in the documentary, she used to cook food when they gathered in her home. She used to cook food for all of the family members who would join in the protest. By the way, this protest, for those of you who don't know, it happens in the Partap Park of Srinagar every month, and now they do it on the 10th of every month. The families of the disappeared people gather there on the 10th of every month.
कितना जुल्म किया हिंदुस्तान ने उधर, कितना जुल्म किया। 2010 में कितना लोगों को मारा, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को। समीर राह 8 साल का बच्चा है, उसको सिक्योरिटी फोर्स ने मारा। फिर कश्मीरी पुलिस भी है, टास्क फोर्स भी। हमारी बच्चे उठाया सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी ने। अगर कानून मेरे लिए है, आपके लिए कानून है, सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी के लिए कोई कानून नहीं है। हम यही डिमांड कर रही है, बार बार प्रोटेस्ट में कर रही डिमांड। अगर कानून मेरे लिए है, सिविलियन के लिए, सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी के लिए कोई कानून नहीं, टास्क फोर्स के लिए कोई कानून नहीं, सिलेंडर मिलिटेंट के लिए कोई कानून नहीं है।
So many people have died. She named few of the victims. If there is a law, is there no law for her? Is there no law for the victims?
फिर अगर उनकी किसी माँ को 3 बच्चे गई, किसी माँ को 4 बच्चे हो गई, 3 शहीद हो गए, 1 मिसिंग है, उनको कौन पूछेगा, उनको कौन करेगा देखभाल? हाफ विडोज है, इनकी 4-4 बच्चे, 5-5 बच्चे, उनको कौन करेगा?
Some mothers have had 3 or 4 sons, some of whom, or children. 3 have died and 1 may have disappeared. Who will take care of them? There are half widows with 3 or 4 children. Who will take care of them?
हम इस साल मिला जनवरी में टॉर्चर प्रोजेक्ट, हम काम कर रही विक्टिम को यूएन का ग्रांट मिला, हमारी यूएन का फंडिंग मिला। फिर उनको विक्टिम को दवाई शवाई, उनकी शुगर पेशेंट है, थायराइटिस है, और भी साइकिक बेचारी, फिर उनकी बच्चे के लिए पढ़ाई शढ़ाई, उनको फीस वो कर रही है। मगर हिंदुस्तान कितना बेगैरत है, वो सुनता इस कान से छोड़ता।
The last sentence was, India is shameless. And India will hear from this ear, and so in from one ear and out from the other.
कोई भी केस हाईलाइट होता ना, वो दबाने की कोशिश करता है। रेप केस कितना किया, शुपियन का रेप केस, या छठी सिंह उधर कनन पोशपुर का रेप, 50 औरतों को रेप किया.
There is one other point she made. She was talking about her organization now getting involved in with the victims of torture. And some of the work they are doing, they're going and giving them medicines and other aid through her organization, APDP.
हाँ. फिर कितना केसों को रेप किया, कितना मुश्किल इनकाउंटर, फिर इधर इधर ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन हो गई, उधर उधर में उनके साथ है.
Indian forces have committed rapes, other human rights violations, and wherever they happen, she makes it a point to go and comfort the victims.
मुश्किल इनकाउंटर किया 3 लड़के को. फिर पड़ोसी एक लड़का है, वो सिलेंडर मिल्टन है, वो आर्मी के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. फिर उसने उनको बोला तो आओ हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए. उनको डॉक्यूमेंट भी बनाया. फिर वो गया, उनके काम के लिए 500 रुपया दिन को दिया. सुबह बोला फिर आप आर्मी सिलेंडर मिल्टन नहीं, आर्मी से काम करने.
She's talking about the Matsil encounter. Matsil is a border area. And this young man who was taken...
3 लड़के.
3
लड़के, गरीब लड़के 3 दोनों में से 3 काम करने. Indian borders पे.
So there was a surrendered militant. These are former militants who have surrendered to the government, and sometimes they may also work for the government. So this surrendered militant took 3 boys with the promise of क्या बोला?
मेरे साथ दूसरे दिन बोला और देगा ज़्यादा पैसा, तो आज भी आओ मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए. वो बेचारा गया.
So he asked them to accompany him, that I will give you some work and I will give you some money.
शुक्रवार के दिन इनको फ़ोन आ गया, वो काम के लिए गया. फिर उनको फ़ोन आ गया, तो कहाँ हैं? बोला हम बहुत दूर हैं, हम बहुत दूर हैं, तो हमारी 12 बजे फ़ोन बंद हो जाएगा. तो फिर इसको 12 बजे पकड़ लिया, तो फिर लिया बॉर्डर पर. फिर उसको पाउच बांधा, काली मेहंदी के साथ दाढ़ी बनाया. फिर उसको फेक इनकाउंटर किया. फिर गांव वालों के बोला ये मुजाहिद आई पार से, इन्हें लड़ा शहीद हो गई, इनके लिए जगह दे दो दफनाने के लिए.
So these boys were taken to a remote area. When their families called, they were told to say, if I understand it correctly, they were told to say that you're going to a remote area, so after noon, your phones will not be, won't have any connection available. So they were taken and killed, and a fake beard was drawn on them with the kamsit.
मरिक ना गोल लगाएगा मरिक बॉर्डर्स पर. तो वो मुजाहिद गांव वालों को बोला इनको जगह दे दो दफनाने के लिए.
And they were killed, and it was claimed that they are militants. These were civilians killed, and then the government claimed that they are militants. And the bodies were taken to the nearest village, and the villagers were asked to bury them and find space for the burial.
सिलेंडर मिल्टन को पैसा मिलता, आर्मी अफसर को रैंक चढ़ता. इन्हीं 3 मुजाहिद मारा, इनको रैंक चढ़ा.
The surrendered militant got money, and the army officers involved in this would get a promotion.
फिर छठी सिंहपुरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आईबी वाले और आर्मी केस लड़ रही है. फिर बाद में क्या आप ही बोलो, कोर्ट मार्शल में कोई इंसाफ मिलेगा? आप ही लोग बोलो उधर कोई इंसाफ मिलेगा कोर्ट मार्शल से? उधर बचने की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है, इंसाफ की कोई गुंजाइश.
Can you expect justice from a court martial where the army is the accused and they are conducting a court martial? Can one expect any justice from such a?
उधर कोई भी मिनिस्टर आ गया, कोई भी इलेक्शन होता, हम सेफ नहीं. उधर वो कुछ नहीं करता हमारे लिए. हम बार बार तड़प हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. उनकी डेड बॉडी दे दो. उधर मास ग्रेव इशू 2008 में निकला, मास ग्रेव इशू.
The ministers may come and go, but they don't do anything for them. The families are pining for their loved ones, but nothing is being done.
मास ग्रेव इशू निकला 2008 में. मैंने बोला हाँ मेरे बहुत प्रेस आ गया, ये मासगर इशू। मैंने बोला हाँ ये अहम है मासगर इशू, ये झूठ नहीं है, ये सच है, मगर ये अहम मसला है। उनको दिया ना टेस्ट करो, तू देखो ये किन का है।
The issue of mass graves, when those graves were discovered, they had approached her and she said, this is an important issue. We need to find the identity of the victims, so please conduct a DNA test on the bodies.
हमारी इशू अगर सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी ने मिलकर लिया हमारे बच्चे, उनको पूछो कहाँ रखा है।
If the security agencies have taken the children of these families, husbands and children, ask them where they are.
कहाँ रखा है, किधर है, अगर मरा हुआ कम से कम दिखाओ कहाँ।
If they are dead, then show us where they are.
तब तक लड़ाई जारी है जब तक हमारी मसला हल नहीं हो जाएगा।
Our fight will continue until the issue is resolved.
जब तक मैं जिंदा हूँ तब तक मैं लड़ूंगा अपने हक के लिए।
As long as I'm alive, I will fight for my rights.
आगे बढ़ाना आवाज, देखो कितना जुल्म किया, ये गहरी चोट है। देखो मागली का, देखा मागली का हाल, ये इस वक्त मर गया, उस वक्त बेटे को ही पुकारता।
This is a grave issue. You have seen how you've seen Mugli, and when she died, she was at that moment calling out to her son.
ये इतना दर्द है, इतना दर्द है। मेरे 24 साल हो गया, घर भी छोड़ा, बच्चे भी छोड़ा, हस्बैंड भी छोड़ा, मगर ये काम कभी नहीं। मेरा हस्बैंड को 10 ऑपरेशन आ गया, उसको भी खदमत किया, मगर ये काम कभी नहीं छोड़ा।
This is a deep wound, a painful wound. She has focused away from her children, away from her husband, to carry on doing this work. Her husband has had 10 operations. She nursed him during those operations, but did not stop doing the work that she is doing.
ये एक रिश्ता बन गया मेरा। वो बोलता तो हमारी सब विक्टिम बोलता मैंने अपना रिश्ता तोड़ दिया, यही मेरा रिश्ता है।
All the other family members of the disappeared people, all the other victims, tell her that this is the one relation that has sustained. This is a new bond that has formed between them.
सारा विक्टिम बोल रहे हैं आप हमारी माँ, बूढ़े भी बोलता हाँ हमारी माँ बाप है, आप ही हैं।
They all refer to her as their mother, even people who are older than her, that she is their mother.
मैं अल्लाह को ताकत मांगता, हिम्मत मांगता और लड़ना है, मगर मेरी गुजारिश एक है, ये इधर ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में, उधर उनको बोलना है, हिंदुस्तान को दबाव डालना है।
She asked God for strength, and she is requesting you to approach the British Parliament and ask them to put pressure on India.
अगर मैं नई आवाज़ उठाती इसके लिए, पता नहीं कितना हो जाएगा फिर। 2006 में मैंने आवाज़ उठाया, मेरे 100 विक्टिम लेकर आ गए दिल्ली तक, यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेजों में हर जगह में गई, फिर जंतर मंतर धरना भी दिया दिन भर, तो फिर थोड़ा सा रोकथाम हो गया। फिर इस वक्त मेरे पास आती टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट, JNU, जामिया मिले यूनिवर्सिटी इंटर्नशिप करने बच्चे आती मेरे पास, मेरे ऑफिस में इंटर्नशिप कर रही है। इस वक्त 3 लड़कियां मेरे पास श्रीनगर में इंटर्नशिप कर रही हैं।
She has raised the issue in several forums. She has gone to several universities and colleges with the other family members of the other disappeared people. Her organization also has an internship program, and right now there are 3 students doing internship. From Bombay, there are 3 students doing internship with APDP.
आता ही रहता, 4 साल हो गया वो आता रहता। हमारी हाफ वीडियो पर कर रही है, हमारी APDP पर कर रही है, आता रहता है, वो इंटर्नशिप कर रही है हमारे साथ।
Some of them are doing internships on half widows and some of them on APDP itself.
मैं विदेश
for the last
ये
3-4
बेटा है,
years.
मैं उसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। इसने दावत दी है इधर आने के लिए। आपने भी सुना कश्मीर का कैसा हालत है।
There is Dibesh, like her son, and he has invited her so that you may know how it is.
किसी का माँ मर गया, इस साल 2 माँ मर गई, कौन लड़ेगा उसको? माँ मर गई तो फिर कौन लड़ेगा? बहन भाई को इतना दर्द नहीं है, इतना माँ बाप को दर्द है, आगे कौन लड़ेगा? जब तक मैं जिंदा हूँ तब तक लड़ूंगा मैं कभी नहीं बैठूंगा चैन से।
Some of the disappeared people have lost their mothers, and once the mother is gone, who else will fight for them?
मेरे सब 24 साल हो गए, मैं लगता मेरे कुछ नहीं किया। इस वक्त कुछ सबूत मिलेगा, कोई निशानी मिलेगा, फिर उस वक्त मैं बोलूँगा मैं माँ हूँ, तब तक मैं माँ नहीं हूँ।
She has been doing this for 24 years, and she feels like she hasn't done anything. Until she finds, the day she finds some evidence of what happened to her son, that day she will know that she is a mother. That day she will call herself a mother.
मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, आप लोग मेरे साथ हैं। अकेली नहीं है, अल्लाह मेरे साथ है, आप लोग भी मेरे साथ है, इसलिए मेरे को हिम्मत है, मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, मेरे साथ बहुत लोग हैं।
She is not alone. God is with her. You are all with her, and she feels that she is not alone.
I think I was just going to ask the question. Parveena ji raised the issue that we should talk to the British parliamentarians. So what should we ask the British parliamentarians to do?
हाँ, उनको दबाव, हिंदुस्तान दबाव डालन,
To put pressure on India.
अगर ये 10,000 लोग हैं, कहाँ रखा? कम से कम बोलो कहाँ रखा? इनने इतना लोग मारा कश्मीर में, इनको किसी ने पूछा तुम क्यों मारा? ये लोग कितना मारा? 2010 में छोटे छोटे बच्चों को मारा, इन्होंने किसी ने बोला?
To raise issues of there are 10,000 people who have disappeared, where are they? To ask them. They have killed so many people. They have killed over 110 people. This is my figure, but she didn't mention it, but it was in the news in 2010. So ask them what they've done and why.
मैं यूरोप भी गया 2008 में, फिर उधर मैंने 7 केस लिया, वो पेंडिंग है, सैंक्शन के लिए रोका APDP का, मैंने उनको वो भी दिया, उनको भी मैंने बोला हिंदुस्तान को दबाव डालो, अगर ये लोग उठाया कहाँ रखा?
She has traveled to Europe also with this issue and had submitted the cases of 7 disappeared people, but so far nothing has happened.
Working group उधर उस गिवानस में working group ऐसे
There was some working group and she had submitted it, but nothing has happened.
मीटिंग गस तमन से पात गए वरिंदर से मेरा साथ लॉयर एक साथ आ गई उधर.
She had a lawyer with her on that trip.
तमन जुत में दमक तो करता हिंदुस्तान दबाव, तो तमो वोन तमन सोचो क्या था लेटर वेटर, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला बाद में.
Basically nothing happened. Some letter was submitted, but
सुनता बहुत है,
no
मगर
action.
इस कान से छोड़ता वापस. कोई भी हुकूमत कश्मीर में आ गई वो कुछ नहीं करता किसी के लिए.
People listen, but then not much happens after that. And whatever government comes to power in Kashmir, they don't care so much about the people.
Should we open it for questions? I thought what we can do instead of me asking questions, maybe we can ask if people want to ask questions and find out information both about Parveena ji's collective struggle and also what perhaps we can do to support the APDP. So, Dipesh, yeah. So, is there anyone who would like to? Yeah, there's a person.
I will ask the question in Kashmiri language. Because I will, translate. तो ये वनी was में आकत की यूज़ तो एगो वाइन 24 वरी काम करान 20 वरी ज़्यादा तो इस अखबार में मस्ती परान तो जो दिल्ली थी कसान तो जो दर्द जीवन जाए जाए वारिया लू तो इच्छा कहाँ सपोर्ट करान कशीर मज़ या कशीर नेबर माली मामला किंतु जो पाने disappeared
ना वारिया
So I'll translate the question first. You have been, what the gentleman is asking is that you have been working on this issue for the last 24 years. Has anyone in Kashmir supported you on this?
हाँ, हर किसी जगह पर मेरा सपोर्ट मिलता है.
She gets support everywhere.
कोई हिंदुस्तानी भी है, कुछ भी है, तो मेरे को सपोर्ट करता है. किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाती वो सपोर्ट कर रही है. कशीर में भी सारा सपोर्ट कर रही है. उनको पता है ये कौन सा काम कर रही है.
She is getting support. I mean, you understand the answer. But just for the audience, she is saying that she is getting support. She has gone to conferences in India as well and gets support there, but also within Kashmir.
बस खुद गाँव गसान यम दो योर आयस तम दो गमस दर्दपुर टार्चर विक्टमन गमस ये करने तिमन थोड़ा सा हेल्प करन तिमन वुचन क्रॉस चेक करन फार्म उनका फार्म भरा हुआ इंटरनली. फिर मैं क्रॉस चेक करने खुद गया. मैंने देखा उनकी हालत कैसी है. फिर अगर किसी को मदद करने के लायक है उसको मदद करेगा. पैसे की मदद नहीं करता. बच्चे कोई फीस किताबें विताबें या खाने पीने के कुछ कर रही हैं वही काम कर रही है. खुद जाती है.
She travels to distant villages in Kashmir herself to help in this case the torture victims of Dagdapura. They don't give out money, but they give out other material aid, school-related, education-related expenses, medicines, and so on. This is related to the earlier project that she mentioned, that APDP is involved in in trying to ascertain the conditions and to help the torture victims. She had gone there to do a sort of a second round of check on the applications or the forms that had been received and that had been compiled by the interns at their organization. So then the verification process, she is involved in it and she does it herself.
District wise theme dawa wal Baramulla ak Handwar ak Kofwar ak Srinagar ak district wise dawa diwan iman victiman kyaji iman bicharan che död iman kus presse kansi asan operation karun kansi asan öchon operation kansi asan kuni chizas time khatr shesh thomut timan bicharan agar ne kihin te karok to gesak amsi suhlat bicharan.
They've started a partnership with some pharmacies in the different districts of Kashmir, various districts, so that the medicines to these families and victims of torture can be distributed through these pharmacies. This is the least they can do.
पिछले साल 5-6 लड़कियों को शादी किया. 5 लड़की हाफ वीडियो का, 2 उनका बाई मिसिंग है. फिर प्रेस भी सपोर्ट कर रही बहुत. श्रीनगर का प्रेस है ना, कश्मीर का प्रेस, वो बहुत सपोर्ट कर रही है. लॉयर भी सपोर्ट कर रही है. लॉयर भी न पैसा मांगते न कुछ मांगते, हमारी केस पकड़ लेती हैं. तो बहुत सा मैं प्रेस वालों के पास या कोई अमीर आदमी उसके पास जाएगा उन शादी के लिए बाहर जाती मैं. ऑफिस का पैसा नहीं लेता शादी के लिए.
They had married some half widows, 3 half widows last year, and also 2 women whose brothers had disappeared. They also for the marriage expenses they don't spend the money from the APDP account, but they go and collect the donations for that specific cause and then do it. So that's a separate account. You collect donations for that so that you can marry the get them married, either the half widows or even victims of or families of the people who have disappeared. This is her one big family that she was talking about earlier.
I think we had one question up there.
I'd like to know if the work she's doing is risky, or if she ever gets in trouble with the security forces for trying to find the ones who have disappeared.
دپان تۄہہِ چھا باسان یہِ چھُ رِسکی تۄہہِ ما چھِ کینٛہہ پرٛابلِم گٔمٕژ مِلٹرٛی سِکیورٹی فورس والٮ۪ن ما چھِ تۄہہِ
نہ 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 بہٕ چھَس پروٹیسٹ کران مےٚ چھُ پُلیٖس یِوان دَپان چھُ پروینا جی ژےٚ کیٛاہ چھُ پروٹیسٹ کَرُن تۄہہِ کیٛاہ چھُو کَرُن مےٚ تُہۍ کیٛازِ آیوٕ مےٚ کوٚروٕ گیرٕ ترٛٲیِو ڈنٛڈٕ پَتھر بِہِو تُہۍ تہِ چھِو سٲنی بیٹھو آپ میرے پاس بولتا ہماری ڈیوٹی ہے تو کرو تو آپ کے ساتھ کچھ نہیں جھوٹ بولنا پاک ہے میرے ساتھ کسی نے کچھ نہیں کیا.
She doesn't feel that she's under any threat. I forgot one other thing in her last comment was that she gets support from lawyers as well as journalists quite a bit. Lawyers will do some of the cases pro bono. As far as your question is concerned, her answer is that she doesn't feel a threat. When she goes and engages in a protest somewhere, the policeman will come and they ask her what she's doing, and she will say, I'm protesting, and come and join me. And their answer is, well, we are performing our duty, so we have to ask you this, or we have to do this. But she doesn't feel that she is threatened.
Okay, we've got one question here and then one over there. Oh, sorry, okay.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nadeem. I'm originally from Afghanistan. Just wondering if Parveena Ahangar has received any support from the Indian mothers, for example, doctors or some associations, financially or just emotionally support. And the second question is, given that after a period of time she finds out about her son and the other victims, would there be possibility of, for the sake of peace, to forgive the people, the agents or whatever apparatus that are functioning as part of the society in Kashmir? Would they have the strength for the sake of peace to forgive? Thank you.
دوٚیِم سوال چھُ پرٛژھان کہِ اگر کُنہِ ساتہٕ تۄہہِ پتہ لگہِ فیوٗچرَس منٛز آز یا پگاہ یا کٲلکٮ۪تھ کہِ تُہنٛدِس نیٚچوِس کیٛاہ گوٚو جاوید احمدَس کٔمۍ کوٚرنَس تۄہہِ لگہِ سُہ سورُے پتہ تُہۍ ہیٚکوا پَتہٕ سُہ تٔمِس معاف کٔرِتھ؟
نہیں کیوں کرے گا معاف کیوں کیا اگر میرے بیٹے نے گناہ کیا تو اس کو سزا دے دو اگر اس نے گان اٹھایا تو سزا دے دو اس بیچارے نے کوئی گناہ نہیں کیا کیوں کیا اس کے ساتھ.
The answer is for the second question, that she will not forgive because her son had not done anything. If he had committed a crime, he would have been punished, or he should have been punished for that. But he was innocent, he did not commit any crime, so why should she forgive?
The doctor support karama.
The answer to the first question is yes. There are some people who support. Free medical treatment from some doctors as well.
Ji, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Sarwar. I am editor of Nation newspaper in London. I am fully supporting your cause by bringing out a special edition on Kashmir for the last 20 years. I have very close relationship, or you can say contacts, with the leadership in Jammu and Kashmir. My questions, there are two questions directly addressed to you. आप चाहे मैं उर्दू में बात कर सकता हूँ. So one question is that this issue has been taken as a blame game between India and Pakistan. How far are you satisfied with the role of the leadership, political leadership in Jammu and Kashmir? Because without their unification and unity, this issue cannot be resolved, and the Kashmiri people will face the same ordeal and tale of the torture.
The issue, the dispute of Kashmir,
Yes,
or you're talking about the
I'm talking about the
disappeared
dispute of Kashmir, because unless until this dispute is not resolved, this ordeal, or you can say tale of tortures would continue. It is assumed and as we see. And the second question is, you have just referred about the surrendered militants. My questions to you is, who they are? And on top of that, India is continuously blaming Pakistan that Pakistan is supporting the militants and they are sending infiltrators which we are countering and we are killing because the Kashmiri youths are supporting to these militants. आप चाहें तो मैं उसका उर्दू में कर सकता हूँ कर दूँ उर्दू में तर्जुमा
नहीं, I'll translate it for her, but I'm not sure some of it she isn't will be able to answer because those are you should depend zinchi you should albar gara nation the akhono ki you see not you tuhund issues matlab bad ish the rome ya disappeared people chinch manan is kashmir his problems lade hindustan to pakistan se paani lade kara aap chutat mutalik ke tum this matlab tum de khayal isme kya paisa you wanted what should happen between the second
जम्मू कश्मीर की जो पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप है आप उसके रोल से कितनी मुतमईन है या आप समझते हैं कि दरमियान जो बात
यस आज़ादी मांगान छ तम खतर लीडरशिप बन तम आज़ादी मांगान पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सन आज़ादी पानी बाज वोक हमारी आज़ादी वही है हमारी तड़प है हमारी बच्चे देखने का उनके लिए लड़ रही है बहुत लीडर हैं उधर मगर हमारी तड़प है अपने बच्चे के लिए
You've heard the question already. So her answer to the first part of it was
कश्मीर का प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी मर गया हम एक दिन यादगार के लिए
her response to the first part of the question was that there are many leaders in Kashmir who demand azadi and who support that sentiment. But azadi for her is the day when her son comes back or she finds out what happens to her or what happened to him.
उधर हमने डाला पत्थर ईद का मालगुजार के सामने स्टूम डाला यादगार के लिए फिर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने उठाया रात को टास्क फोर्स भेजा पत्थर वत्थर ईंटे विंटे उठाया थाने में बांध रखा फिर मैं सुबह प्रेस वालों ने फ़ोन किया परवीना इधर पत्थर डाला तो फिर उठाया मैंने बोला उसको नहीं मारना है उसको इधर ही रहना है फिर मैं सुबह गई उनके ऑफिस शेख कुबला फारूक कुबला के ऑफिस फिर उधर उनको मैंने बोला कोचक साहब है उधर बोला उसको शेख कुबला भी मार गया उसने भी ज़मीन पकड़ा दरगाह हजरत बल में आपको भी मारना है एक दिन हमने बच्चों के लिए यादगार बनाना उनने क्यों ईंटे विंटे उठाया
They had built a memorial for the disappeared people in Eidgah grounds, and overnight it was removed by security forces, and she says on orders of Farooq Abdullah. So next day when the press informed her of this, she went to him and went to his office and talked to someone there and said, when Farooq Abdullah's father died, meaning Sheikh Abdullah, you found a piece of land for him to bury him on or near the Hazrat Bal area. What will happen to you today? Why were you against us creating a small memorial for our victims, our family?
हमने किसी ने मदद किया तो फिर ज़मीन खरीदा यादगार के लिए उधर बारामूला रोड पर लिया एक कनाल ज़मीन यादगार के लिए पकड़ लिया
They have bought one canal, which is 1/8 of an acre.
हमारे पास न कोई जेल है न कोई जेल है न कोई मालगुजार है इसलिए उधर हम यादगार के लिए ज़मीन पकड़ा
So they want to, what she was telling me earlier during our conversation is they want to use this plot to have memorials for all the disappeared people, so their names. What was the second question?
Second question was that आपने surrender militants की बात की है, you just referred. तो मेरा question ये है कि ये militants कौन है और surrender किस तरह हुआ और क्यों सब militants का हुआ?
सरेंडर वही है वो आर्मी के साथ काम करता आर्मी उनको पैसा देती उनको खराब होती है फिर उनको पैसे देती हैं, वही सिलेंडर मिल्टन वही है।
So she
फिर
says,
उधर ये एक सिलेंडर मिल्टन है, उसको भाई को मारा, फिर दूसरा भाई ने पता नहीं कितना लोगों को क्या किया, उसका नाम ममकाना है, उसको फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने पद्मश्री अवार्ड दिया, पद्मश्री अवार्ड दिया उसको, फिर रिलीज किया, फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने पद्मश्री अवार्ड दिया उस सिलेंडर मिल्टन को।
she says surrendered militants are those who work for the government, the state. And then the example of Mamukanna, who was
वो आर्मी के अंदर रहता, उसको आर्मी के
who
अंदर
had killed several people. He was a government militant, had killed many people, and then received the Padma Shri award a few years ago. I think this was 3 or 4 years ago, and it was with the help of Farooq Abdullah that he was nominated and received that award.
We have a
Yes,
question.
thank you. Thank you for telling us so much about this. Could you just say a little bit more about, you've spent so much time over the last 24 years doing this, have you seen any progress at all, at any level?
What was the second part?
Have you seen any progress at all, at any level?
ना ना यम छन कहाँ जवाब मानान, हिंदुस्तान छन कहाँ जवाब मानान।
India doesn't
अस्त
give any
बिहाम नहीं
response.
कहीं, वो मार मगर डर में वो पाकान छस।
She will not stop. She will die, but she will not stop.
And there's no progress.
No progress. She said that.
Okay. Natasha.
Thank you. The point about the relationships that she was talking about forged by pain and trauma, and I was just thinking about whether, I mean, one, it's very ironic given that the entire country, this concept of the mother is so significant. I mean, even the new Prime Minister just said, "Maa ki seva kabhi kripa hoti hai." Like, are you ever doing anything of any effort to serve your mother? So this whole discourse of the mother being so important, and still, and still we see this situation. So I wonder if she has, or if the organization has, or if there's any kind of connection between family members of armed forces who might have served there, or who have died there. Are there organizations like that who can understand the pain at an individual personal level, because they have also lost, so as part of that trauma, and beyond and separate from the whole state politics and all of that, because her struggle, as she said, the Azadi, it's a personal thing. So is there any kind of, and also has any of the armed forces or people she encountered, has anybody ever asked for her forgiveness? Has anybody even asked her, from a position of power to say, we did what we did we shouldn't have done, and that you have a right to know what happened to someone, who was your relative?
Suppose husband mood ya mutual mood is timan se chata iza gomu takba Hindustan is iman ate Kashmir maz bach mood ka samaj us army maz temis maj se chata iza ta
ना 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 वो कई रास्ते में आर्मी मॉडर्न साम के
timamaz acha timamaz avata
ना ना
तो दोयम सवाल सिमन के का आवत army
मो तेमिस आर्मी man osus काम करान तेमिस ते रोपी ते गुज्जो ते गई मिले डेड बॉडी ते अस नशन रोपी वापी जरूरत कहीं ना छ नौकरी जरूरत अस दितन पानी बच्चे अस तड़क सोन बच्चे न्यूक थो कते तेमिस क्या हाल कत हालस
मन Let me first answer the first question. She said she has not ever had, just for the audience, that she has not ever had an encounter or a conversation with a mother of an army soldier, a mother of a soldier who was killed or even a family member of a soldier who was killed in Kashmir. But her question was, or comment connected to it was that when they lose a family member in Kashmir while in the army, at least they get some compensation from the government, but also that, more importantly, there is a dead body at the end of it. There is a closure of some sort, which she doesn't have. दोयम सवाल से वनान कि तोचा सपोज आर्मी कैसे अफसरन या कैसे गवर्नमेंट अफसरन से माफी मंजूर
उनके पास नहीं जाता मैं क्या करने जाएगा मिनिस्टर हैं एमएलए हैं उनके पास
माफी मंजूर से
ना 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 ये खाली बोला एक दिन कोर्ट में एक दिन तारीख में गया फिर उधर 3 अफसरों को मेरा बेटा लिया ना फिर वो उनके पास गया तो फिर उनको लाया जज साहब ने बोला उनको लाओ 2 को लाया 2 अफसर को लाया एक को कैंसर हो गया वो बोलता पूना हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है 2 को लाया मगर कोर्ट में नहीं लाया फिर उनके बदला कर्नल आ गई कोर्ट में वकील ने बोला ये उसकी माँ है ये केस लड़ रही है यही उसकी माँ है यही केस लड़ रही मैं अकेली जाती कोर्ट में मेरे साथ कोई नहीं मेरे बच्चे छोटे छोटे उस वक्त थे फिर कर्नल ने बोला बहन क्या चाहिए कितना लाख चाहिए नौकरी चाहिए मैंने बोला कुछ नहीं चाहिए खाली मेरा बेटा चाहिए पैसे वैसे की ज़रूरत नहीं है
She doesn't approach the army in any for anything. She has gone to the courts and sometimes ministers as well, but there has been no one who has apologized to her. There was one incident where she was in the court and she usually goes by herself, she's alone. And the court had ordered that 3 of the people who were involved in picking up her son should be produced in court. But they were not there. One of them apparently had cancer and he was back in Pune. But the other 2 were not there, and instead of them, a colonel from their regiment perhaps was there, and he asked her, what do you want in return? And she said, give me back my son.
Thank you so much, Parveen. I think we're all incredibly moved by what we've heard. I'm just wondering, picking up from the mention of addressing conferences in India, and what the international community, whether there's some figure in the international community who could champion the cause and take some of the burden which she's obviously faced over the last 24 years of trying to find out what's happened, because sometimes that can work if there's some very important figure within India or, as I say, an international community. One thinks of the sort of goodwill ambassadors who've worked. I mean, I'll mention Angelina Jolie, but somebody who people care about, who the international community knows and who would help to champion her cause, and whether that avenue has been explored by the organization.
मशहूर इंसान जान काम करान तमिस वनो तुम कि सह कर तुंद ये मसल सह पकन सह ब्रोट लुकन हिंदुस्तान मं तुत मशहूर या बेस कुछ मुल्कस
हिंदुस्तान मं कहीं तक बोजान यम कन त्रावान वह बैन अलाकाम सारे खुद थोड़ तौर गयस बह तिम वो सोन मसल ये तिम वो बाकी हिंदुस्तान बैन अलाकामस मज गयस तौर गयस तिम केस वेस तिम वोन क्या तिम त्रावन दबाव तिम कर दबाव यम कर कह मगर यम कर कहें अकन बोजान बेकन त्रावन मगर अख चीज गो रोकथाम गो क्या सन बच्चन कुन जाए सेफ अगर तिम कुन जाए गसन तिम सेफ कुन जाए आसान शाम फिक्र कि मे बच गोमुत शाम मे बे 3 बच बस शाम बरामदस पे अगर तिम सेफ लापता
She can't think of anybody. This is the short answer, neither within India, within Kashmir, or anywhere outside. But let me first just complete the answer. She said that she has been to, she used the term Bainul Aqwam, which is United Nations, but I don't think it was United Nations. She has been to, this must have been some other sort of forum, maybe related to UN, but she hasn't been to United Nations. So, but some forum, she has been to different forums and has pleaded the case and submitted the paperwork, as she said earlier, of 7 such victims. But nothing has happened on that count. But she says that there is in terms of what has happened and there is an evolution through over the 24 years, there is a positive is that people don't disappear now as frequently as before. There is a little bit of a change in that. She is still worried when the young men, or generally young men, but when they go out in the day, that she is worried that they may not come back in the evening. But she says the enforced disappearances have slowed down and have, I don't know if they've stopped, but they have definitely slowed down.
अगर वन हा यमन क्या कोर तो सारी बिहन आराम सान
She can't think of anyone that would be a good. She says we got Modi.
फिर मनमोहन सिंह उसने कुछ नहीं किया.
With that we got Modi. No, the question had been who would be a representative.
इन्होंने फौज रखा कश्मीर में बहुत फौज रखा और रखवाली के लिए.
But she said no.
आज से है का यूस सिक्योरिटी फोर्स बेच यम नहीं पाता बेच खुदा
अगर तुहस कत काम ब्रोट पकनाय का मशहूर इंसान या का इंसान तछा भाषा
यम छ करा यम छ वनान ओत्रस में वना प्रेसिडेंटस निश बछस न यमन जुकान किहिन जुक खुदा प्रेसिडेंटस निश गस तमिस दिमो लिस्ट यम छ बोजान पात वनान अचन पात यम छ सरहद पार गमत.
She had been asked to meet the president and
कोर्ट छ सारवी खत बोर्ड हाई कोर्ट छ बोर्ड सारवी खत सुप्रीम कोर्ट छ तच्चा का इंसाफ मिला.
So she had been asked to meet the president and plead her case, but she says she refused because she doesn't bow in front of anybody. She's not afraid of anybody, and but they don't do anything at the end of the day. And the court is the most powerful agency, and nothing happens, whether it is High Court or whether Supreme Court, even they have not done anything. So her expectations are minimal. The judge is worried about his own job, and she says the judge said so in front of me, that if I give a decision in your favor, they will send me somewhere. These were the words.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thank you for sharing your story with us today. This question may sound silly, but for the sake of my article, I have to ask it. Do you think that there will be any positive or negative change in Kashmir, or at least with the situation with the disappeared persons now that Modi has been elected?
She says he did not do enough in Gujarat.
I think on that note, we will end the session. I think Dibesh had printed out all the information about enforced disappearances, and they're on the chairs. The APDP have a website, and there's quite a bit of information there. I think yesterday when I was, speaking to Parveena ji for the first time, she said, "Awaaz aage badhao," and I think. I'm probably doing a very bad translation, but loosely translated, amplify this, so publicize it as much as possible. And I think, in a sense, we are located here in the UK, and that's one thing we can do, as Parveena just said, to put pressure on the British parliamentarians. But I think the more people, I suppose, come to know about it, the more we kind of protest. Or join the kind of protests, the more, I think that's the important work we can do. And I think that's the message that I got anyway from Parveena ji, because she has been fighting for the last 24 years, individually, collectively, and she has gathered a kind of mass movement, and I think that's the important thing to remember, and that's an inspiration for us all.
I just want to say that I hope I conveyed even 10% of the passion and determination that she has. I know I skipped, there were several sentences I often forgot to translate, all of them. But I hope you got the general idea, gist of it. Thank you.
परवीना जी आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बोलने के लिए.